How to make him regret losing you. So, as a coping mechanism and to distract yourself, you want to prove your ex wrong. All the anxiety, loneliness, and hurt trigger you to make him regret playing, hurting, and losing you. Yet, the most important thing is to set this process as a pre-stage of healing and getting your ex back. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another interesting topic and probably something that I was also experiencing in the past a lot of times, especially if someone you really liked ended up hurting you. So you want to get back at him with any means available, but it's not a healthy way of dealing with relationships and when someone hurts you. But you know, it's a good thing to know these few tips when you want to feel better, because that one message that appears on your phone screen where he's sorry and he's explaining how he loves you, it can boost our self-confidence a bit, even though we might not take him back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm not a love expert. My name is Mariah, and I just like to talk about all the subjects related to love and relationships. And I feel like this is a good way to share experiences with you guys. So feel free to comment down below what your opinions are and what your experiences are, so we can mutually help each other and learn something new. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and also both of you, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel since I'm new here. Now, without further ado, let's get into the topic. Understandably, you are going through a hard time and all you want to do is to be loved again. If you act based on your feelings, you will end up taking this process as a revenge or a vindication. You might have been wronged, but without healing yourself first, you won't attract either. So here are some tips to make him regret losing you. Disclaimer, these tips are crafted for different situations and different types of people, so keep that in mind when applying them. If your ex was a narcissist, then it's harder for them to admit their mistakes. Hence, a narcissist sometimes might claim that he did a mistake and he wants to get back with you. What he means is that he has a need of controlling you again. He just needs someone to be dependent on. So first tip, focus on work and on yourself. Focus on work on yourself. You can make him regret losing you by shifting the focus from him to you. Once you set this mindset, you will start a progression and reach the point that you will set. When you don't look to give him the post-breakup attention, that will make him more curious. He will want to know more about you and how you are dealing with the breakup on your own. This is the time that you have to stop, lean back, and create a better version of yourself. He will regret losing and dumping you when he notices that you are happy on your own. Now, you are not codependent, and that's what triggers your ex. Number 2, be real with yourself and don't pretend to be happy. Being self-conscious is one of the crucial things to do so you can make him regret breaking up with you. Starting to understand the grief and working with it will help you post-breakup progression. If you want to genuinely be happy, then you should set a goal to achieve it. This time, you need to start with small steps. Firstly, take some time to grieve and understand your feelings. Secondly, surround yourself with positive people and mend your heart and mind. Then understand what it's making you happy for the moment, which is that person, thing, or activity that fulfills you. Embrace solitude. Doing all these things will help you to perceive what true happiness means after a breakup. Doing all these things will help you to perceive what true happiness means after a breakup. Otherwise, if you fake it just to get his attention and make him regret it, you will end up getting hurt. Number 3, spend some time being single. Spend some time being single. Being hurt, played, and ditched by an ex is the worst feeling in the world. I know that you are drenched in pain and want your ex to feel the same as you. This feeling is quite present after the breakup and it is quite normal. So in this situation, it's quite understandable to be eager to know the answer to these two questions. How to make him regret playing me, and How to make him regret hurting me? The answer to both questions is to enjoy being single for a while until you find your true self. Spending time on your own and adjusting to solitude will provide him with another side of you. Now, this side of yours is confidence, happiness, and positivity. If you jump into a rebound relationship, you will only end up being hurt and mixed up. Don't keep tabs on him. It's normal to have an urge to stalk your ex and his post-breakup progression. Everyone has done it, starting from me, you, my friends, and pretty much everyone. That's because you haven't set your boundaries yet. The moment you create an amendment and you choose to detach, that will trigger your ex. You will keep focusing on yourself and showing your progression by not stalking him. Use the no contact rule and don't interact with him on social media via texting or calling. Only this way you won't manipulate him. This is a simple way to let him reflect on his decision. You will give the space and time to breathe and rediscover your values. If you didn't have a toxic relationship, you don't have to block your ex. To avoid keeping tabs on him, you can mute him or shut down your social media for a period. Number 5, avoid sending nasty messages. When you are dumped, there is a rage and pain that keeps leading you to some unpleasant actions. Hence, to get a grip on this situation and avoid creating further conflicts, this is what you should do. Write what do you want to send in your journal. Text your friend instead and let them know how you are feeling. Delete his phone number for a while. Go for a walk, listen to music, or watch a movie. Do everything that helps you to soothe your rage. On the other hand, if you constantly keep sending hateful texts to him, you will only push him away. He won't regret his decision, and because your pressure will give him negative vibes. Number 6, try not to beg and plead. Just like sending him nasty messages, also begging him and pleading with him will push him away. This way, you won't give him the space to reflect on the situation and miss you. An ex will start to miss you the moment he doesn't have much access to you. The dumper doesn't regret breaking up with you if you are constantly up to his face. Instead, to make him regret leaving you, you should be distant. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. And I truly hope that these tips will help you if you are going through a breakup. And I just want you to know that it's never easy. We have all been through it, and I promise after some time passes and if you don't get back together, you will feel like a completely different person and a much better person, and also your life will be better. Remember this, because every time I've been through this situation, in the end it turns out to be a much better version of my life than when I was with that person. So just be patient. That is the super tip that I'm giving you at the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please show me support by liking and subscribing. And also comment down below, share your opinions, share your thoughts. I would love to hear them. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.